Welcome to Electronism, where innovation meets curiosity. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of electronics. We will learn all about the signal and its types. Let's get started. What is signal?
A signal is a variable quantity that conveys information and can be transmitted, received, and processed to communicate data between different locations or systems. In other words, a signal is a way to convey information from one place to another. The signal can be electrical, optical, acoustic, or electromagnetic. Examples like sound waves, light signals, and electronic signals.
Now, let's know about the classification of signal. There are three classifications of signals. Number 1, based on the continuity, analog signal and digital signal are the two types. Number 2, based on time characteristics. Periodic signal and aperiodic signal are the two types. Number 3, based on predictability. Deterministic signal and random or stochastic signal are the two types.